Today I want to talk about how the brain develops. The brain has a bottoms-up organization system, and that has an impact on how our brain actually functions. So first of all, we have the brain stem, and this comes out of your spine and is in the lower part of your head, along with your cerebellum. In the center of your brain, as it develops, you get what we were going to refer to in simplistic terms as the midbrain. It contains a lot of other bits and pieces that have a lot of great functions that we'll talk about in other videos. However, that's all you need to know for now. Now, those lower parts of the brain that we just talked about control things that are automatic. So, for example, respiration, heart rate, blood pressure, things that happen automatically in our bodies. Then we have the limbic system and the cortex. Now, the cortex and the limbic system regulate higher level functions. Those are the top areas of our brain. And they control things like thinking and are regulating our emotions, particularly in the limbic system. So, why is that important? Well, as we come to understand how the brain develops, it helps us set expectations. So, just as a teaser, let me just share with you one of the reasons teenagers don't think like adults. It's because their brain, particularly their prefrontal cortex, won't be fully developed until they're in their mid to late 20s. So while they may have the body of an adult, they do not have the brain of an adult. So I like to refer to the prefrontal cortex as the smart part. And that is the part that helps us overcome impulse control and to think rationally. So that is one of the pieces. And as we continue in this process, we'll share many more fun little facts that will help you understand how you can improve your brain and be smarter and use more of your smart part, and also keep your body calmer and safer by controlling and creating the right sort of inputs into the lower parts of your brain.